Unpack, set up, and install the HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 or 9020 series printer. Open the printer box and then remove the small box of HP Instant Ink setup cartridges and printer documentation. Inside the plastic, remove the setup poster, the quick reference guide, and the HP Instant Ink card. Set the box on its side and then use the two handles to pull the printer out of the box. Remove the printer power cord and set it aside. Remove the styrofoam end caps from both sides of the printer. Remove the printer from the plastic bag. Remove all packing materials from in and around the printer. Plug in the power cord and the printer turns on automatically. On the printer control panel, select your language and then touch Confirm. Select your country or region and then touch Confirm. When prompted to install cartridges, open the front door and lift the cartridge access door. Remove the HP Instant Ink Ready Setup cartridges from their packages. Match the cartridge to their slots in the carriage using the colors for reference. Hold each cartridge by its sides and push forward until it clicks into place. Repeat to install all cartridges. Close the cartridge access door and then close the front door. On the printer control panel, touch OK to confirm installing the cartridges. Slide out the main paper tray and then remove the cardboard restraint. Slide the paper guides to their outermost position and then load plain, letter-sized paper. Adjust the paper guides so they touch the paper stack. Slide in the paper tray and then touch OK. On your computer or mobile device, go to 123.hp.com and follow the prompts to get the software for your operating system. For video assistance with connecting and installing the software, find How to set up a wireless HP printer from Android. How to set up a wireless HP printer from an iPad or iPhone. How to install a wireless HP printer in Mac OS. And how to install a wireless HP printer in Windows using HP Easy Start.